Yeah, we will continue from the previous lecture series. We are already know that we are seeing the VQAR subject. In this particular subject, we are seeing the particular topic name is pipes and systems. How the pipes and system problem and what are the important formula and tricks which already seen in our previous video. If you have any don't see this video, that we will continue with this one. The particular problem we will stop in the previous video. So let will continue the problem. Okay. So the three pipes A and B and C can fill a tank. So here we are going to see the explanation for the particular problem. So three pipes which are following A, B, C can fill a tank from empty to full in 30 minutes, 20 minutes and 10 minutes respectively. When the tank is empty, all the three pipes are opened. A, B, C discharge chemical solutions P, Q and R respectively. So what is the proportion of the solution R in the liquid in the tank after 3 minutes? So that is our problem. So here we are going to see the explanation. The part filled by A plus B plus C in 3 minutes. So the 3 minutes which can be considered 3 times of A plus B plus C. So 3 into 1 by 30, 20 and 10 minutes. So we can get the 11 by 20 the value. So part filled by C in 3 minutes 3 by 10. So that is required ratio. Therefore 3 by 10 into 20 by 11. So here we are taken as the 6 by 11. So that is the required ratio. So that is the first problem solution. So we are going to see the second problem. Pipes A and B can fill a tank in 5 and 6 hours respectively. Pipe C can empty it in 12 hours. If all the three pipes are opened together, then the tank will be filled in. Net part filled in 1 hour. 1 by 5, 1 by 6 minus 1 by 12, which is equal to 17 divided by 60. Therefore, the tank will be full in 60 divided by 17 hours, that is 3 into 9 by 17 hours. So the third question is, a pump can fill a tank with the water in 2 hours. Because of a leak, it took 2 hours to fill the tank. The leak can drain the water of the tank in. So work done by the leak in 1 hour, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 7, which is equal to 1 by 14. Therefore, leak will empty the tank in 14 hours. A tank is filled by 3 pipes with uniform flow. The first 2 pipes operating simultaneously fill the tank in the same time, during which the tank is filled by the third pipe alone. The second pipe fills the tank 5 hours faster than the first pipe and 4 hours slower than the third pipe. So the time required by the first pipe is, suppose the first pipes alone takes x hours to fill the tank, then the second and third pipes will take x minus 5 and x minus 9 hours respectively to fill the tank. So 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 5 equal to 1 by x minus 9. So x minus 5 plus x divided by x into x minus 5, which is equal to 1 by x minus 9. So 2x minus 5 into x minus 9 equal to x into x minus 5. So x squared minus 18x plus 45 equal to 0. So x minus 15 into x minus 3, which is equal to 0. Therefore, we can get the x value 15. So neglecting is x equal to 3. So the 2 pipes A and B together can fill a cistern in 4 hours. Had they been opened separately, then B would have taken 6 hours more than A fill the cistern. How much time will be taken A to fill the cistern separately? So let the cistern filled by the pipe A alone in x hours, then the pipe B will fill it in x plus 6 hours. So 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 6 equal to 1 by 4. So x plus 6 plus x divided by x into x plus 6, which is equal to 1 by 4. So x squared minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. So x minus 6 into x plus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to 6. So neglecting the negative value of x. So here the sixth question is, so sixth question we are going to see in the next lecture video.